Okay, time for a Kansas warm start since it's 86 degrees. Whoa, there's some heat buildup in here. Give her a little choke. Oh my. Did not expect that. Don't have a tack in this one. It's got a dash out of a later model. This is a 76, so it should have been all round. All the dash should have been all rounded and stuff, not the corner. But hey, it runs. It's down to oil pressure, it's charging. Of course, the engine's cold. Not bad. Let us go on to the 78. This is the 76. Alright, this is my 78 stepside. For those of you who have been following on the fender deal, there it is. Still needs lots of work. I got a few places, things aren't quite lining up. Like up here, that's simple. Down here, that gets a little more complicated. Now this hasn't fired up and run in 2 or 3 months. And you can tell